wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. I just got done doing this sexy hard glam look. If you are into the glitter and if you guys are into darkness, black, stay tuned and catch me on the other side creating this sexy hard glam look. Alright guys, so eyebrows is done. I did it off camera. So we're going to begin with this little eye tutorial. I'm going to be using, like I always do, my Tarte concealer just to prime my eyelids. And I'm going to use this flat brush right here and I'm just going to blend it all out. Before I begin my eye makeup, I'm going to put a little bit of lip gloss on my lips. I'm going to be using Vaseline just because my lips are feeling a little bit crusty. I'm going to be using this palette right here. I used this before in my tutorial, the fruit pie filling. The reason why is because it has the red and black color that I'm going to be using. So if you guys have any red and black color in any palette, use that. I'm going to first place the blackberry in this black color right here. I'm going to place that on my eyelid. I'm going to use this brush right here. It's like a little flat brush, and I'm going to place that black. I'm just tapping the black color, and then we're going to blend it out. I'm going to use this fluffy brush here and I'm just going to blend it out. Now I'm going to add a little bit more black and just intensify that color. So now I'm going to smoke it out a little bit up here just to blend that harsh line. So I'm going to place right up here near my brow bone, I'm going to place a little bit of that red. So I'm going to use this flat brush right here and I'm going to use cranberry, and that's that red color right here, and I'm going to place it up here on my brow bone. So right here I'm going to place it, and then we're going to blend that red and that black later once we place that. And then we're going to blend it with that brush that doesn't have any product and just blend that red and that black. I'm going to use that red and blend it just a little bit. So I'm going to place right here where that black is at. I'm going to intensify that black. Alright, so now I'm going to use my Tarte concealer and I'm going to cut half of the crease. I'm going to look up. I'm going to use this little brush right here. It's like a little pencil brush, and then I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to outline and cut the crease. I'm going to use this flat one and just blend that concealer in. So now I'm going to place a little softer red. I'm going to use this red right here and I'm going to place it where I cut the crease. So I'm going to use this flat brush. Because this is where I'm going to put the glitter. And I'm just going to blend everything out. Alright, so it's going to look like that. So now I'm going to use this Too Faced glitter glue and I'm going to place it where I put that soft red glitter shadow. And I'm going to use a flat brush. I'm going to use this flat brush and I'm going to place the glue, the glitter glue. So I'm going to use this glitter right here. It's a red glitter. And I'm going to place that where I put the glue. And I'm going to use this flat brush. Alright, I have a lot of fallout. That's the reason why I did not put foundation on my face. But now I'm just gonna blend everything out. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more of that black color. And bring it up. Now I'm going to use my micellar cleanser water and I'm going to clean out all that fallout. So I'm going to place my falsies and I'll be right back. So now I'm going to prime my face and I'm going to use the Watermelon Burst. I love this primer, and especially for the summer. I've been breaking out a lot, guys. So this has been helping my face out. So I'm going to use my foundation. It's a Super Stay Full Coverage and it's this right here. And it's Honey Medium. Foundation brush, and I'm going to spray. I'm going to use my e.l.f. setting spray. Instant Age Eraser. And this is in 122 Sand. And I'm going to put that right here. Blend that out. And I'm going to use the back of this and just use the foundation product and just blend it out. So I'm going to use my Everyday Vacay and I'm going to set my face with this. Put it all over my face, just set it up. I'm going to use this sponge and I'm just going to set the concealer. L'Oreal Paris foundation stick. I'm going to use this angle brush and I'm going to blend out my contour of my nose. Just blend this out. And I'm going to use this brush right here and I'm just going to blend where I contour. I'm going to use my Vacay setting powder and I'm going to shape that where I contour, so right here. Purpley color, and I'm going to place that on my cheek. So I'm going to do my underneath my eye. This is definitely a hard glam. So I'm going to use my Tarte pencil, and this is black. Has a black liner, and I'm going to place that underneath my waterline just to give it that dark effect. I'm going to use this golden glittery color in my inner, and it looks like that. So now I'm going to do my lips. So I'm gonna get this color right here. It's like a little neutral brown color. My e.l.f. Dewy setting spray, and I'm gonna spray it over my. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini tutorial. It was simple and very creative and hard glam look. And if you guys like this, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment and subscribe for more videos like this. And until next time, bye bye.